Dovey and Machynlleth have been a massive mountain bike hotspot for years now. Machynlleth is such a kind of community-minded place that everyone's applying that mentality to mountain biking, and there's so much going on now, and there's so many people getting involved. It's a really exciting thing to be part of.